Some people say that there's freezers in an abandoned house, so I'll open this.
Oh, hi. I'm Big Bird, guardian of the freezer.
Why are you here?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
But who are you with?
Oh, I'm with my friends. They're in that bag over there. I don't know why.
Can I see them?
Come out, guys. Here they are, Big Bird.
What are their names?
Principal Thing, Playtime, It's a Bully, Arts and Crafters, First Prize, and Gotta Squeeze over there hanging out with Arctic.
Alright. Can you bring that ammo to me?
Alright, I will.
Elmo doesn't want to go up! He doesn't want up! No! He doesn't want up! He doesn't want up! He doesn't want up anymore! I'm not a baby! Ah! Good. Now, can I come with you?
Why?
Because I've been riding here for a year, and I just want someone to play with.
Alright, then you can come with us.
Hooray!
I'm cold. Because that freezer is so cold. I guess that I'm gonna be in Christian Hot Friends Fan ALT's series now. Yeah, I guess so. Oh, and by the way, I'm starting to get a headache.
What the heck? Robots don't get headaches.
I think that Koi First Prize is starting to get a headache. Yeah. Well, Mom is almost done cutting the grass. So, yeah. By episode 5, I think that we might, be home already. So, yeah.